Part 1. Flea Market. Dialogue.
الجزء الأول حوار في سوق شعبي.
Look at this neighborhood, Rana. There are garage sale signs everywhere today.
I know I need a lamp for my living room, but I don't want to pay retail price at the mall.
Check this pile here. That brass lamp looks solid. It just needs a little cleaning.
It is heavy, but there is no price tag on it. Excuse me, sir.
Hi there. Did you find something you like?
Yes, how much do you want for this lamp?
That one is an antique. I was asking $50 for it.
50, that is a bit steep for a garage sale. Would you take 20?
20 is too low. I am firm on 40. It works perfectly.
It has a small stain on the shade look here.
I didn't see that. Okay, tell you what. Let's split the difference. $30.
30 sounds fair. Do you take credit cards or apps?
Sorry, it is cash only today.
Luckily, I stopped at the ATM. Here is 30.
Thanks. Enjoy the lamp. You got a real steal there. Part 2. Vocabulary.
مع الشرح بالعربي. الكلمة الأولى هي ريتيل ومعناها سعر التجزئة في المحلات، يعني السعر الغالي قبل الخصم.
Word number 1. Retail. Repeat with me. I never pay full retail price. It is cheaper than retail. Say it again. The retail value is high.
الكلمة الثانية بيل يعني كومة من الأشياء فوق بعضها.
Word number 2. Pile. Look at that pile of books. Repeat, please. Dig through the pile. She put the clothes in a pile.
الكلمة الثالثة ستيب هنا لا تعني شديد الانحدار، بل تعني أن السعر غالي جدا أو مبالغ فيه.
Word number 3. Steep. Listen and repeat. The price is a bit steep. That is a steep cost for an old chair. One more time. It seems too steep for me.
الكلمة الرابعة فيرم يعني البائع متمسك بالسعر ولن يخفضه.
Word number 4. Firm. Repeat with me. Is the price firm? He is firm on $50. Now you say it. I am firm, sorry.
الكلمة الخامسة سيبلت ذا ديفرنس عبارة مهمة جدا وتعني نقسم الفرق بين سعري وسعرك، حل وسط.
Phrase number 5. Split the difference. Let's split the difference. Repeat after me. Can we split the difference? We agreed to split the difference.
الكلمة السادسة كاش أونلي الدفع نقدا فقط. الكاش جملة تسمعها كثيرا في أمريكا في الأسواق الصغيرة.
Phrase number 6. Cash only. Say it loud. Is this cash only? Sorry, it is cash only today. Most garage sales are cash only.
الكلمة السابعة ستين بقعة أو وسخ على القماش.
Word number 7. Stain. Repeat, please. There is a stain on the rug. Can you clean this stain? It has a coffee stain.
الكلمة الثامنة ستيل هنا لا تعني يسرق، بل تعني لقطة أو صفقة رابحة جدا بسعر رخيص.
Word number 8. Steal. This car is a steal. Repeat with me. You got a real steal. At that price, it is a steal.
الكلمة التاسعة رب أو عكس كلمة ستيل، تعني سرقة أو استغلال. السعر غالي جدا ولا يستحق.
Phrase number 9. Rip off. Don't buy it. It is a rip-off. Listen and repeat. That store is a rip-off. What a rip-off.
الكلمة العاشرة ATM الصراف الآلي، مهم جدا لسحب الكاش.
Word number 10. ATM. Where is the nearest ATM? Repeat please, I need to go to the ATM. The ATM is out of order. Part 3. Multiple choice questions.
الجزء الثالث اختبار.
Why didn't Rana want to buy a lamp at the mall? Awesome. The answer is, she doesn't want to pay retail price. What does the seller mean when he says, I am firm? Awesome. The answer is, he will not change the price. What implies that the item is a good bargain? Good job. The answer is, it is a steal. How did they solve the price disagreement? Good job. The answer is, they split the difference. Why couldn't Rana use her credit card? Good job. The answer is, it was cash only.